In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate draw.io connectors in Atlassian Confluence. If you want to make your diagrams feel more dynamic and easier to understand at a glance, animating connectors is a simple but effective touch. This is especially useful for process maps, system flows, or any diagram where you want to highlight movement or direction between elements. The good news is that this can be done directly from within Confluence while editing your embedded draw.io diagram. To get started, open the Confluence page that contains the draw.io diagram whose connectors you want to animate. Make sure you're on the correct page before moving on, because the animation settings will be applied inside that specific diagram. Once you're on the page, enter the page editor and locate the draw.io diagram you want to update. Click to select the diagram, and you should see a floating toolbar appear. On that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open a pop-up window with the draw.io diagram editor right inside Confluence. If the editor takes a moment to load, just wait until the full diagram interface appears before making changes. Now it's time to choose the connectors you want to animate. You can click an individual connector if you only want to animate specific lines. If you want to select all connectors at once, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and E. That can save a lot of time if your diagram has multiple connection lines and you want a consistent animated effect throughout. With your connector or connectors selected, look over to the formatting panel on the right-hand side and make sure you are on the Style tab. In that panel, find the Effects section and expand it. Inside, you'll see options such as Sketch, Shadow, and Flow Animation. Enable Flow Animation to animate the selected connectors. As soon as it's turned on, you should see the lines begin to move with a flowing effect, which helps visually communicate direction or activity in your diagram. If you want, you can also enable Sketch to give the connectors a hand-drawn appearance, or Shadow to add a bit more depth. Those effects can be used together, and the flow animation will still continue to work. After that, you're done. Your connectors are now animated in your draw.io diagram inside Confluence. Just make sure to save your changes in the diagram editor and then publish or update the Confluence page as needed so the new animation appears for viewers.